If you want to buy a domain name on Namecheap, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to search for a domain, add it to your cart, choose the right registration period, and complete your purchase safely and confidently. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and website guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to namecheap.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and click on Domains. This is where Namecheap gives you access to domain search tools and domain registration options. After that, you'll see a search bar where you can type in the domain name you want. Enter your desired name carefully because this is where you'll check if the domain is available. If the exact domain is already taken, Namecheap may show alternative suggestions or different extensions like .com, .net, or other options. Take your time and look through the results to find something that fits your brand, business, or personal project. When you find a suitable domain name, click Add to Cart. This adds the domain to your shopping cart and lets you move forward with the purchase. Before checking out, take a moment to review the domain name, the extension, and the price so you know exactly what you're buying. Once everything looks good, click Checkout. On the next screen, you'll be asked to select the duration for your domain registration. This is how long you want to own the domain for, such as 1 year or multiple years depending on the options available. Choose the registration period that works best for your budget and your plans. A longer duration can save time later, while a shorter one may be useful if you're just getting started. After selecting the duration, click Confirm Order. This takes you to the payment stage where you'll finish the purchase. Now choose your payment method. Namecheap usually offers different payment options depending on your region, so select the one that works best for you. Then enter your payment details carefully. Double-check your information before moving on to avoid any errors during checkout. Once your payment details are filled in, click Continue. At this point, Namecheap will process your order and take you to the final payment confirmation step. Review everything one more time, including the domain name, registration length, and total cost. If everything is correct, complete the payment. After that, your domain name purchase will be finalized and the domain will be registered to your account. And that's it, you've successfully bought a domain name on Namecheap. From here, you can manage your domain, connect it to a website, or set up email and other services later on. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more easy step-by-step tutorials like this one.